Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to play Infinite Craft on PS5. First, we need to open the browser on PS5. For that, on the PS5 home screen, move to Settings icon on the top right and open it. Inside Setting, navigate to Accessibility and select Display and Sound. On the right side, select Zoom and then turn on Enable Zoom. This option is important and will help us later when using the browser. Now go back to settings once again. This time open System, select Web Browser and make sure Enable JavaScript is turned on. This is required for the websites to load properly. Once both settings are enabled, go back to the main settings. Now select Users and Accounts. From here switch to Linked Services. On the right side choose YouTube. Now select Link and on this screen select Use Browser. This will open hidden PS5 web browser. On the browser screen look at the bottom right corner and select Terms. Next select the Google Apps icon and then select Search. Once Google search opens up, type Infinite Craft and run the search. From the search results, open the official Infinite Craft website at the top. If the site loads properly, you can start playing right away. However, on the PS5, the official site doesn't load correctly all the time. If that happens, simply go back to search results and look for an alternative site named Infinite Craft. This version uses the same gameplay interface as the official game and usually works more smoothly on the PS5 browser. Once the site opens, you can start creating your own Infinite Craft recipes. To add an element to the workspace, press the X button on the controller. If you want to drag and drop an element, press and hold the X button on the selected item, then use the left analog stick to move it around the screen and combine it with other elements. Using this method, you can freely mix elements and build your favorite Infinite Craft combination directly on your PS5. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.